Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable auto download in your WhatsApp. What I simply mean, guys, is basically when you're using WhatsApp and people sending you videos, music, pictures, etc., those are automatically downloaded into your gallery. And if you don't want these to automatically download in your gallery and you want to choose whatever you want to download, then follow these steps. So open up your WhatsApp, click the three dots on the upper right hand side and go to your settings. From here, you want to scroll all the way down to storage and data. And from here at the bottom, you will see media auto download. And from here, you have three options. You have when you're using the mobile data, when you're connected to the Wi-Fi, and also on roaming. So you want to tap on each of them. Let's start with the mobile data. Open that and you want to uncheck all of them. If you have audio, videos, documents, and photos, if you don't want any of these to auto download, then you want to uncheck them and then click OK. And you want to do it for the others as well. So you want to uncheck them, then click OK, and from roaming, ensure all is unchecked. Now what's going to happen when you go ahead and open up WhatsApp again, then what's going to happen whenever someone sends you any type of media file, this won't be downloaded automatically. And you'll be able to choose what you want to download going forward. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple, guys.